Hey guys, it's Mike from the RV Supercenter in beautiful Cleburne, Texas. Look what I got for you today. A 2021 Forest River Berkshire 45A. This coach has 26,000 miles on it. I want you to see that it's a tag axle with outdoor entertainment. This is a fully loaded coach, full pull-out awning over as well as the slide toppers. This coach is a little over 45 feet long, so everything's in this beauty. Come on, I want to show you the inside of this. Welcome inside this luxury, beautiful Berkshire coach. This has every creature comfort you can want. Dishwasher, induction cook stove, heated floors. Everything about this coach, this says luxury, convenience, and comfort. Look at this refrigerator. Oh my goodness, y'all. This is nicer than one in my house. Digital dash. It shows analog, but it's actually digital. All the screens, every control is up here. Most everything on this is push button, all start. Beautiful, beautiful. Pop-up plug and play. All the lighting sources are lit up. Everything on this coach is just easy to use. Got you a nice fireplace, Bose sound bar, beautiful TV above. Just well-appointed, comfortable laid out coach. Just here, look at the accent lighting in this coach. Everything in this coach is beautiful. Notice the backsplash in the kitchen area. This is just a well-appointed coach. Behind us, I'll show you that going out, there's an overhead bunk. But you also have the rare time that you might have your grandkids or kids, whatever the case may be. This coach has a hidden bunk room for them. 2 bunks. But here's a real perk to this. When you don't have the kids or grandkids, this makes a perfect wardrobe. Flip this up, you got an extra storage for clothes. Can't go wrong with that when you're traveling in one of these. Now this is a 1.5 bath coach as well. Here's your half bath. Nice laid out. Big shower in the bed. Oh, excuse me. This is a two full bath. I apologize. This one has the second shower. And yes, that is a big shower. That is Mike approved, okay? So I'm 6'2" on a good day, and this one will work. I missed something right here for you. I want you to see this coach is digital. When you need to do things, everything's at your fingertip controls. You want to work your slides, you want your lighting, everything you can do it right here. Work your generator, your AC, all your controls are right here. Everything's very simple. I call this RVing for dummies. It's laid out, easy to use. Remember that. There's nothing greater than a wonderful, well-appointed coach that's easy to use, and you don't have to get the 12-year-old to show you how to use everything. Come on back here. This is the master salon in here, and I want you to see this laid out. Ceiling fan above, beautiful wardrobe, everything, plenty of storage. Look at all the drawers, plenty of storage. Another TV back here, plenty of lighting in there. We're going to put a new mattress on this for you as well. This has a nice pocket door for privacy away to give you some your own space. And then as you continue on back into the bathroom, remember I told you it's a 2 full bath coach. But the master ensuite is a little bit bigger. You have your dual vanities, showers big enough. You also have your washer and dryer stacked units in back here as well. Just a lovely, well-appointed coach. Nice, good trim, beautiful high gloss floors. But notice the trim work is very, very well done. It's a good, beautiful, it's not too dark, but not light. It's just perfect. Good accent trim. Everything on this coach is good. Coming up here, you also have one more overhead bunk should you need it. You have extra guests coming to stay with you. This goes down via power. Do this, push a button and it comes down. And then you have a small ladder to get up, but it comes down to about right here. So nobody's crowded in this coach. So again, this is a 2021 Forest River Berkshire 45A. It is a tag axle. Fully loaded, and it is available today at the RV Supercenter in beautiful Cleburne, Texas. The number's on the bottom. Text me, email me, smoke signals, come by and see me. Thanks for stopping by.